ever been brave enough to try that.
Alright, we on a mission. I'm at this canal where you're not allowed to fish. But you know, that ain't gonna stop me. Shit. I better get in and out quick. I seen a fish jumping over here. So I'm trying to go get his ass. Got this crawdad crankbait. It is like 5 o'clock in the morning. Bunch of little ass bass right there. So I'll try over here. Yo, big ass fish right there. What the fuck are those? Those bass? There's no way those are all bass and they didn't just take my shit. That can't be bass, right? They got black tails. It's a whole fucking fleet of them shits. Those could not have been bass. They're all right there. What are those? About to snag one. Dude, what is that? Come on, guys. Eat my shit, man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I just caught a catfish. I just caught a fucking catfish. I just caught a fucking catfish. Bro, what? No way. No fucking way. Out of all those bass, I catch this fucking catfish. Big ass fucking catfish. It's monstrous. What is that? Is that a flathead? Bro, this is ridiculous. What the fuck? I don't have a net, man. Dude, what in the world? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? There's no ladder right here. Dude, this is not good. What am I gonna do, honestly? I have to go find a ladder. I can hope to God there's a ladder over here. Come this way, buddy. Come this way. What in the world? Yep, we got a ladder. I might be alright. Oh my god, I'm not good at handling catfish. I did not come out here to catch catfish. It is monstrous. Gotta get him in. I gotta get him in. Come on, buddy. Come on. There's gotta be a ladder. No sign of a ladder. I'm gonna have to walk so far right now. Just keep going, getting tired at least. I'll just have to walk them all down the canal. How is he not breaking this 6-pound test, bro? Okay, found a ladder, thank God. That's so sketchy. done fighting yet? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Don't break me off now. We've been fighting for an hour. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is insane, man. This is insane. It's gotta come up eventually. Please, bruh. This guy is so big, man. He is massive. This is not something I expected right in the morning, bro. There he is. What is that? He's a monster. He is a monster. Bro, he is a fighter for real. Come on, come on, come on. Stop fighting, bro. You're not tired yet? Come on, buddy. Oh my god. No, not right now. Don't. I'm gonna fight this guy for a straight hour. No way. Oh, he's quitting. He's not gonna give up, bro. No, 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 no. Dude, this guy is just beefy as shit, and he's got hella energy. Yep, come over here. Come here. Dude, this guy's a fucking tank, bro. He is a tank. Oh, my balls hurt. Oh, shit. Oh, this bush is fucking hurting. Look at that, bro. Look at this fucking monster. I don't know how to handle cats, bro. Chill, pal, chill. Monster fucking flathead. I gotta get a picture of this. Oh shit, I'm dropping. These things are hard to fucking carry. Okay, buddy. Sorry. Holy shit, dude. What the fuck? Oh my god. I'm fucking exhausted. Oh my god. By far the biggest fish I ever fucking caught. Holy shit, man. That thing was massive. Holy shit. That was a fucking massive. I think it's a flathead. I don't fucking know what it is, bro. I'm not a cat fisherman. I'm a bass fisherman. But catching one of those on this fucking crankbait is insane. Jeez. Motherfucker was 20 pounds. Fuck that shit. He was so heavy. So heavy. My arm is sore just from barely carrying him. What the fuck? Oh my gosh.